Is Krea AI getting stuck while rendering images or videos? Maybe your project never finishes processing, freezes midway, or shows a rendering error. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix Krea AI rendering problems in 2026. So let's get started. First, refresh the page and reopen your project. Sometimes rendering jobs get stuck because of temporary platform glitches, and a simple refresh can restart the process. Next, check whether Krea AI is experiencing server issues. During busy periods, rendering queues can become overloaded, causing delays or failed renders. If you're using very large images, complex prompts, or high-quality settings, try reducing them. Lighter projects usually render faster and are less likely to fail. Rendering at maximum resolution requires more processing power. Try selecting a smaller output size first, then upscale the result later if needed. A stable internet connection is essential while rendering. If your connection drops during processing, the render may fail or become stuck. Old browser data can sometimes interfere with web-based AI tools. Clear your cache and cookies, restart the browser, and try rendering again. Some browser extensions, ad blockers, or VPN services may interrupt communication with Krea AI servers. Temporarily disable them and test again. This solves more issues than most people realize. If rendering still fails, switch to another browser or device. This helps determine whether the issue is related to your current setup. Sometimes a specific project file becomes corrupted. Create a copy of the project and start a fresh render from the duplicate version. If none of these fixes work, contact Krea AI support. Include screenshots, project details, and any error messages you receive so the team can investigate further. And that's how to fix rendering problems in Krea AI in 2026. Most rendering issues are caused by server load, browser conflicts, unstable connections, or heavy project settings. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.